What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I wanted to talk to you guys about the best place to get your vinyl stickers and Instagram handles. To answer your question right away, the answer is vinylsickness.com. They have done an amazing job. They handle your order and create your custom order in the same day, and they ship it out to you super fast. I think you probably receive maybe 1 or 2 emails instantly, and most likely by the end of the next business day or a business day after that, the stickers are in your mailbox and ready to go. So here's a close-up of what some of my custom stickers look like and how they've done an amazing job.
My first vinyl sticker that I wanted was the American flag with the first initial and the last name. I think this looks really good. I saw this on a lot of the race cars at Texas 2K. For any of you guys that have never been, it's a lot of drag racing down in Baytown near Houston, but a lot of fun. This is a beautiful sticker, and I'm so glad I got this. Vinyl Sickness has probably maybe 5 or 6 different flags, but you know, a lot of people do their full name and their last initial, but I think first initial and last name looks great. Now on to the second sticker I did my business Instagram handle, which is Octane Rally. For those of you guys that don't know what that is, that's we do car shows and exotic car road rallies. We tour the beautiful countryside and visit nice hotels, rent out racetracks and stuff like that. And my last and final one, I had to get my Instagram handle. They have hundreds and hundreds of fonts, and they do a really good job. These fonts right here is actually another piece of advice that I want to give you guys before I let you go. Is with these stickers, you know, costing $10 and $13 a piece, you're gonna have to let trial and error come into play here. So sometimes they look good, but you might want to do something else. I initially ordered this one, is from Track Decals right there, but they took a long time, and you know, I didn't like the spacing in between it, and the letters are way too big on the windows. But you know, as you guys saw from that one over there, it looks really good, but I initially ordered this one and it was too small. And then for my first Instagram handle, I did this one, and I love the font, but after doing a poll with a couple of friends and stuff like that, I realized that Y it's way too easily to be a V. But keep in mind, whenever you're measuring it, use your tape measure on your windows and see what size fits perfectly. And whenever you order, whatever size it is, it's actually the whole piece. It's not gonna be just your name or just the Instagram handle. It's gonna be everything all included. But that being said, if you don't like your Instagram handle being at the bottom, you can cut right in between it and raise it up. That way it's in the middle. But these are my stickers, and I wanted to show you guys you know, which ones I got, but I love it. And Vinyl Sickness does an amazing job, super quick, and I love them a lot. Thanks guys.